If you are looking for the best binary trading channel, congratulations, you have found me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. In this channel, I give you all the knowledge related to binary trading, and I bet this is the best channel to get all trading related answers you have been looking for. So in today's video, I'll cover how you can start trading, and this will be very helpful in your trading journey. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, on the left hand side of the screen, I have included key points which is very important if you want to be profitable in binary options. This includes knowledge, building your own strategy, time frame, which time frame you want to trade and execute your strategy, and most importantly, money management, your risk to reward ratio and psychology. I will be taking live trades side by side and give you key insights, so that will be very interesting for you and me both. So the first key point was knowledge. You have to have a basic knowledge of where the market wants to go. So here currently the major trend of the market was bearish, but now with lot of green candle, I am confirmed that the market wants to go up. Okay, that there is a possibility of trend reversal, and looking at the candlestick psychology, if you see the previous red candle, it is telling me that the strength of sellers are decreasing and now buyers are stepping in. Though there is no immediate support and resistance, but because of the power of candlestick psychology, you will be able to determine where the market wants to go next, which is why I am going with the buyers, and I have placed a call option trade here. Okay, so what I'm telling you is, the first thing in trading is knowledge. You have to have a basic idea of technical analysis, candlestick psychology, and I will teach you everything. In my previous video, I have covered a lot of topic related to these things. I'm not an indicator person. I do not rely on indicators. I am purely do my trading with price action. So the previous trade was loss. However, I have a set of rules which I have shared with my VIP members. Okay, this is called martingale trade. In OTC market, generally what happens is the broker will try to manipulate you and make you think that the analysis is wrong. Okay, so the same thing happened here. I will stick to my analysis and I'll take martingale trade as soon as the first trade goes loss, because I know that the buyers are in control. Also, the previous red candle, the hammer, and after that next that was also a hammer. Okay, which has a longer upper wicks and no lower wick. This means buyers are active, which is why without a doubt I have placed my martingale trade, which will help me to recover my previous losses and then book my profit. You see how big the victory is. So after the first point, which is knowledge, there comes now the second key point, which is building your own strategy. If you have very less knowledge about technical analysis or candlestick psychology, you can take help of indicator. Okay, indicator is not bad. I'm not telling you indicator will give you losses. No, indicators are also very powerful. If you have very less knowledge about technical analysis, then you can take help of indicators. And what you can do is you can keep on practicing with the same set of indicators again and again, and after you feel confident enough, you can build your own strategy using indicator or technical analysis. Okay, I have made bunch of videos with indicators, my favorite kind of indicators, my favorite set of indicators. You can go and check that out, it's in my playlist. And if I am doing a personalized trading session, I do not stick to any indicators, but you can do that. Okay, you can practice that in your demo account and you can build your own strategy using set of indicators. And I have a lot of videos with indicators. You can pick any one of it and you can start trading. So here what happened in the current chart, as you can see that the market is going in a parallel channel. I have also made a video regarding that parallel channel. So the market major trend is uptrend, correct? And if you place horizontal line in both of the upper side and the lower side, they will form a parallel channel. Also, there in the indicator tab there is the parallel channel. You can take a help of this indicator as well, and you can build your own strategy using this. So this looks pretty easy, but you need a lot of practice related to this. This is a Sureshot ITM trade, direct win. And if you look at the time frame, the third key point, I am trading in 1 minute time frame. If you are trading in 1 minute time frame, you need to trade in the candle, not the time. Okay, the time needs to be 1 minute, and the timer needs to be 1 minute default. You are taking trade on one single candle, not 1 minute. There's a difference. Okay, there's an option. If you see there, I have set it 1 minute default time, so I'm taking trade in one single particular candle. But if you want to trade in a longer time frame, you can go to 5 minute, switch that chart to 5 minute time frame, and you can do that. So but this is binary option, so I prefer 1 minute time frame. But as I said earlier, you can build your own strategy and you can place trade with time frame. You need to be familiarized with the time frame as well. Okay, and now the last key point is money management and psychology. When it comes to money management, I have been constantly telling my Telegram members not to revenge trade. Don't try to recover your losses at the same day. Even if you make profit, don't fall in greed and make more. Okay, set a limit of risk to reward ratio and stick to your rules. A profitable trader is the one who is disciplined with their set of rules. I'll make a separate video on this since this is a huge topic, but for today you can screenshot these points and start working on it. Practice this in your demo account. I'll guide you through all the blueprints to become successful, and I promise you that you will be an independent trader. Until that, if you want to join my VIP channel, you have to create a Quotex account through my link. Minimum deposit is only $20, and send me a trader ID where we make daily profit. I provide free signal, daily Sureshot, 6 to 7 signals. Okay, and the result is 85% accuracy. I have shared that in my public channel as well, and all the members are happy with me. And with this, I don't want to make this video long enough. Part 2 will be coming regarding the money management. Until that, please practice in your demo account, work on yourself and build a strategy. And also you can message me in my Telegram channel if you want any help, or comment down below in my YouTube channel. And if you don't want to miss future video, you have to press that bell icon and subscribe to my channel. With this, I'm signing out for today. Bye bye.